Hello, my name is Sarara. Let us speak about wild animals. This is an elephant. Big elephant, small elephant, father elephant, mother elephant, baby elephant. This is a camel. This is a bear. Hippopotamus. Big rhino, small rhino. These are zebras. Father zebra, mother zebra, baby zebra. This is a giraffe. This is a
Family
Emily
of tigers.
of tigers. Father
Tiger,
tiger, mommy tiger, baby tiger. Big tiger, small tiger. This is a dinosaur. Father lion, mother lion. This is a monkey. This is a kangaroo. These are leopards. This is a wolf. This is a fox. This is a cat. This is a dog. Father cow, mommy cow. This is a pig. This is a sheep. This is a goat. Father, big goat, small goat. Goodbye.